Let's share some artwork that I've already made. So here we have, here is a still life. This is done in graphite pencil. It's not fully done, but I think it really just shows how, I really like this piece because it shows that there's still beauty in the process of art. So I would like that it's kind of not an unfinished piece. Oh, then this is a piece I did for Cubism. That's a Cubism. I wasn't necessarily a fan of this piece, I just did it. I don't really, this was kind of all over the place in my opinion. But then, as we got into other mediums, this is one of my favorite drawings. You can kind of see it already. I made this during, I know no one wants to talk about it, 2020, COVID lockdowns, but it happened, people. We have to talk about it. The COVID-19 pandemic that just shook everyone's world up 5 years ago. I made this piece. It's one of my best art pieces I've ever made. I remember I was at campus during shutdowns and there was nothing to do. So of course during the studio art class, this took me probably over 40 hours. But I was just so in love with how it turned out, and it was really reflective on the time, and I was really glad the professor's like, let's make art out of the pandemic. So here is the piece I made called Uncertainty, very fitting. And I remember getting a lot of critique from, not my professor, but from like students about the bottom here, because they said it looks like, you can't really tell what it looks like, but that was kind of my point of like showing, just because you don't know what something looks like doesn't mean it's not happening or there. So I was kind of trying to show how like Clorox bottles, toilet paper, masks and stuff were falling on the ground, and then it was being covered by like towels, or just being, you know, undescribable of like what's actually happening, because there was so much unknown at the time. So that's what I really wanted to showcase with that kind of symbolism. And then recently, since I've been diving more into being a creative and trying to find that creative spark and trying to just share a little bit more about me and who I am, I'm making some fun pieces, different abstract pieces. Oh, I love this one. I made this one just a month or two ago. My favorite piece I've made so far in 2025, called Women's Healthcare, or Behind Her Eyes. This fully encompasses my experience during 2024 and into 2025 even. So I thought this was a really powerful piece. It's part abstract, part realism, and I have a story up on my channel too to hear more about what this piece is and what it means, but I thought why not just explore some of my artistic creations with you all. Taking some time off and getting back into my craft. Now my hands are all charcoaly. So with that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying the rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and I will see you very soon with some really fun art and craft videos coming up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!